Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply change your date of birth on your Apple ID. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. To change your date of birth on your Apple ID, first of all tap on the mobile settings. Once you're in the mobile settings, you will get this option at the very top is of Apple ID. Simply tap on that Apple ID. Once you do tap on it, you will get to this new interface. Now tap on personal information, the first one. Once you do that, you will get to this new interface of the sub-menu of the edit or the personal information. The second one is date of birth. Simply tap on the date of birth, and from here you can simply select another date of birth, and after changing that to the specific new one, at the top right is the done. Tap on done and now go back. Once you go back, it will be automatically updated on your Apple ID. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.